What's up? Thanks for stopping by. So, see, the potato plants in the main ground here have finished flowering, but the ones over here in the tubs didn't flower at all. And there's some flies going starting to reach the point where they would had they flowered, and the flowers have faded, but they never did flower. But that's not an issue. The first time that happened many years ago, I was very worried because I had no internet access at the time. I had only 2 books, and both of those books said after the flowers fade, the leaves will begin to fade, and then it's time to harvest. So when there was no flowers, I was naturally a little worried, but there's no actual link between the flowering and tuber production. So, and as we saw in an earlier update, the store-bought Jemson definitely do have something going on in there anyway, despite no flowers, so it's nothing to worry about. So I'll continue feeding them good feed at least once a week, and try and stay on top of watering, although I'm not great on staying on top of the watering. And as for the one in the mayonnaise bucket, that did flower and it's fading down, really. A few marbles, as I've said before, is what I expect to get out of there, if anything. These ones in the ground coming along okay. Again, not getting as much water as I would like, but that's just my own fault, or my own responsibility, I guess. But overall, so far so good. These ones are still a question mark over, but there's definitely something in there. And they're still looking stronger as well. These ones are fading away quick, fading fast. There's not much weight to it, whereas that one there's a bit more weight to it. So that's definitely suggesting a better crop in there. But we'll wait and see. Exciting times. So that's the potato update for today. And no flowers, but no problem. But there are other variables, so I'll keep an eye on it. We'll do what we can. We can only do our best. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, short or live stream, take care of yourself. Slán.